Today we're reviewing a battery by Hesinker, and this is a 100 amp hour 24 group battery. It comes nicely packaged and protected. We're going to open up the battery, show you what it's about. A user's manual to go over your battery with the nuts and caps protected all around. It has a carrying strap that you lift up and out. Looking at the battery, it has a green display, a close-up shot. A battery comes in a storage of 13.2 volts, and you can turn off and on by the button. Plastic top, protective covers over the terminals that we take the bolt and screw down. The negative to the negative cap placed on for protection. And for the opposite side, a bolt and washer over the red for positive and the red cap cover. These batteries can be used for a tiller, for a raft, for charging your solar panel, hooking up, running LEDs, and more. Controller not included. The Group 24 Hesinker battery has a 10-year BMS system, advanced technology. The battery has a 4,100% cycle DOD. At 80% DOD, 6,000 cycle, and 15,000 cycles at 60%. So you have different types of cycles of use of the battery. The battery weighs at around 22 pounds, lightweight with a strap nylon. If you're hooking up in parallel 12-volt system or series 12, 24, and more, you have options for your systems with the Group 24 battery. The dimensions are 8 by 5 by 9 with M6 terminal bolts. LiFePO4 batteries can be stored on any angle imaginable. The BMS protects from overcharging, reverse polarity, and more. And what we're going to do is going to hook our battery up for a LED light strip. And we just need to hook up our negative and our positive and hook the rest up to the solar panel. And we have a controller, and we can use our system on a 5-volt system over here and run things. We have switched over our battery to run LEDs on top by a timer. And we have our lights on, and we could control them by putting on different lights. We have the battery down below, and we have a plant light that we're simply going to turn on and run for a number of hours. In this setup we have here is a solar controller, a solar panel, charging the battery to run other items. A nice shot of the unit working and showing a charge. A couple of scenarios we've shown: a grow light, LED in the living room, and charging it via solar controller on the solar panel. It is a lightweight battery with many hours of use, with up to 16,000 cycles, 6,000 and 4,000 cycles with the advanced technology BMS with circuitry protection. I hope you enjoy your battery. If this is what you are looking for in your RV, camper, boat, around the house, portable, anywhere imaginable, it is a battery of your choice. Thank you for viewing.